Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic for this particular video is set. And set is also a collection data type. We can store multiple values into the set under a single variables as we do into the list and tuple and in the dictionaries. But there is the few differences if we compare set from the list or from the tuples or from the dictionaries. Set is unordered first characteristic, which is different from the list or different from the tuples, and we can't change the we can't update the value into the set, but we can remove or add the item into the set, but we can't update value into the set. And set is not allow not allow duplicate values. As you remember, in the list we can add the duplicate values, in tuples we can add the duplicate value, but in the set we can add only unique values, no duplicate is allowed. And also one more thing is unindexed. Set is unindexed. So basically, if we have the requirement to perform the union, intersection, these kind of operation on a data set, then we generally prefer set. So let me show you the code how we can create a set into the Python. So first I'm creating the empty set, and so to create a set we just need to define the curly bracket. And here I'm creating a empty set and then printing the set value and the type. You can see here empty set is created. And now I'm creating a set with integer values. Here first value is 1, then separated by comma 2, then separated by comma 3, 4, 5. So this way I'm creating the set which contain the integer values, and here I'm printing those values. You can see here like the set is created. We can also use the set constructor to create a set, and here are the syntax to create a set with set method. So you can see here like the set is created with the string values like the analytics, data, and science. These are the value, and data type is set. So this is the way how we create the set. And in case of length, we can use the len method to check the length of the set. These are the most important operations supported by the set. First one is the union, then intersection, then difference, then symmetric difference. As shown here, if we take the union of two sets, it returns the all values. Value belong to set 1, set 2, and also the combined values, which are the common values in both of the set. This way, as shown here. And if we take the intersection, then it only return the common value between two sets. It exclude the set values which only belong to set 2 and set 1. So this way intersection is work. It's only written the common values. And if we take the difference, like the set 1 minus set 2, this is the syntax for the difference. And then it return the value only belong to set 1. It exclude the value from set 2 and along with the common value also. So it exclude common values and also the set 2 values. It's written only the set 1 values. And in case of symmetric difference, then it return values from the set 1 and set 2 only, and it exclude the common values as highlighted here in the white color, exclude the common part and return only the set 1 and set 2 section. So this is the way how the intersection, union, difference, and symmetric difference work into the set. Further move to the implementation in Python for this operation. So first I'm creating a set. This is set underscore a, and I'm passing these values like these values enter the set new analytics Python data science. These values store into the set a, and then create another set b in which I'm passing 1, 2, 34, 56, 7, and Python. And you can see here Python is common in both of the set. And if we take the union of both set, then it return all values. You can see here. If we take the union, you can see here it return all values 1, 2, 3, Python 34, 7, analytics, new 56, and data science. And as I explained, like the set is not allow the duplicate values, so it return Python only one time. And then in case of intersection, if we take the intersection between two sets, it's written the common values only. So as we know, Python is common in between two sets, so it's written only Python. You can see here. And in case of difference, we are taking this difference set dot difference and set b. This is the set a dot difference set b. Now it's returning the value only on the set a items, like these values belong to the set a, and it exclude the items which belong to the set b and also the common. You can see here it excludes the Python as well. You can see all items belong to set B, and also the common item, it exclude all items. It only return the item which belong to the set A and exclude the common and the items belong to the set B. And if we take the symmetric difference, then you can see here it return the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 34, new 756 data science analytics, and it exclude only the common part like the Python. It exclude only Python and return all the values, all other values which belong to both of the set. So in the similar way, it's work as shown in the diagram. And this is the one way to apply the union, intersection, difference, these operations. Another way is to use the operators. You can see here we can use the or operators for the union, and operator for the intersection, and minus operator for the difference, and cap for the symmetric difference. This is also work in the same ways. Set also support the for loop, and here basically I'm checking the membership of item in the set, then printing the each item one by one. You can see here in this for loop, first it's printing the 1, 2, 3, then data, then analytics. So as per the values, it's printing one by one. And we can also apply the addition into the set, like the item is present in the set or no, based upon membership operation in. And here I'm checking the one is one in data set. It's returning true if one is in the set. If one is not exist in the set, then it's returning the false. Let me show you. Let me check the next example also. Let me exclude here. And let me try with 5, as 5 is not belong to the set 3. So it's written, you can see here, in case of 1, as 1 belong to the set 3, it returns the true, and 5 is not belong to the 3, then it returns the false. So this way the if condition is working to the set. And we can add the any iterable, for example, the sets or list, set, tuple, dictionary into by using the update methods. Like this is the set 4 we created here, and then we add this like the by using the update dot update and passing this set. Then this set is combined with previous set 3. This is the set 3. Now we create a set 4, and then by using the update we merge both the set. You can see here this is the new set after the update. So this is the way how we can add the value to the set. And we can also remove the value from the sets by using the remove, then the value name. So you can see here in the set 3, we have the 1, 2, 3 data, 5, 6, 7 analytics, and we are interested to remove the data. So here remove, then data, and it's remove the data from the set. You can see here, this is the update set after remove. And we can also use the discard to remove the items, and here basically we are passing the value which we want to remove, and by using the discard, and it remove the 7. You can see here the 7, now 7 is gone, 7 is removed. And there is the one major difference between the discard and the remove. Like the remove also remove the item from the sets as shown here, and same way discard also work. But discard remove the item from the set, but it will raise error if like the selected item displayed here is not found into the set, then it will raise error. And we can also utilize the pop. It will remove the last item from the set, but as we know set is unindexed, so and unordered. So it's maybe the in the productions is maybe the challenge if we remove the item without the values, so it will remove the item randomly. It's depend upon the like the last item. And here basically if we apply, you can see here, if we print the values, then it printing the 1 first, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are dynamic. But if we apply the pop here, then it remove the 1. So because set is unordered. And if we have the requirement to clear all the items, then we can use the clear, and it will clear the set. It will remove all the items from the set. So this way it works. Further, we have the functionality like the delete a set completely by using the del keywords. You can see here del del, then set name. It delete the set completely, and if we print the delete set, then it raise the errors. And to handle those errors, I'm using here the try catch exception. And so this way, like the set is work. Here we cover most of the methods supported by the set. And these are the other methods which are supported by the set. For example, the add any element into the set, copies, difference update. You can try this one also at your end. And this is all about the set. So here basically I cover most of the part of the sets, like most of the operations supported by the set, most of the methods supported by the set. And majorly we use set in the industry if we have the requirement to perform the union between two sets, intersection between two sets, or difference or symmetric difference, then generally we use prefer the set. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.